It's new in Africa, more so in Uganda. That is why quite a number of people are not open to it what they're taking it. But if you're open and you get to understand it, you clearly know that you can change your life drastically. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, no. It's rather a get-rich system. It's much faster compared to any other system. But it's to involve hard work. Which hard work I'm going to show you. For you who is open-minded and one who is ready to change their lives. This business is just like any other business. But the beauty is that you get to do the business, or we get to do the business as a team, we work together as a team, not as one individual. Because I believe in the world that there's no person who can ever walk alone. You can never succeed when you're alone. But when you move with other people, you're able to succeed. You're able to be guided and built. You get it? Now, just like any other business, you still need to invest. Because there is no one who goes to give you a business opportunity and ask you for a CV. Rather, you have to put in some money. The beauty is between Alliance and other traditional businesses, the capital is minimal compared to the returns. And the question is, how do you get started? How do you join Alliance Motion Global? It's very simple. You can get your 780,000 shillings. That is one pack. Now this pack contains all the products he explained. 2 boxes of coffee, 2 boxes of complete, 3 boxes of complete, 2 boxes of C24/7, 1 box of My Choco, and 1 box of Restaurant. Now these products are not given to you to go and sell. That is one of the reasons why I took up this opportunity. They are given to you to go and use because your health is the company's #1 priority. 3 packages. Those are 3 business centers. Yeah? And then, lastly, this is the international retirement package. Get your 5.46 million shillings. Either way that you join the business, you are exposed to over 7 different ways of earning. The first way is the normal, traditional way of doing business, what we call the retail sales. If you're good at selling, you can get, for example, C24/7 at 81,500. And the company suggests that you can sell it minimally at 100,500. Now, as a distributor, I can be able to get about 20,000 shillings. That's good money, not so? One of the key reasons why I do it is because there are no monthly quotas. No monthly quotas. It simply means that with or without selling any product, you can still make money. Can you clap for that? The first way of making money without selling, look at this, the direct sponsoring. Alana says bring at least 2. You can bring Anita, she could be your friend as well. When you bring Anita, you are paid 50,000 shillings instantly. Then you talk to another friend, Bruno. You also talk to him and get started and you get paid another 50,000 shillings instantly. Have you sold anything? Have you sold anything? If you have other friends who want to get started, they don't want you to leave them behind. No matter what I said, it's very simple. Alliance says you can get them and put them under any of the friends you've got in the business. It simply means you will have supported them. That is why at the beginning I said you work as a team. There is support. You don't work alone. You get it? So it simply means that instead Bruno will be left with how many people to go? 1 person. Isn't that supporting? It's what we call the matched sales bonus. And how does it work? This is where the real money comes from. Remember you started the business? I'll still use Rita, not so? Rita began the business. And your system is going to be divided into 2. You have the left and the right. You brought Anita on the left. And you brought Bruno on the right. You get it? You are paid 50,000 for Anita. And you are paid 50 for Bruno. But on top of that, Alliance said, on top of the 50-50, the sponsoring bonus, we are going to make a match 100,000 in total. They are going to add you another 100,000 shillings. And in total, when you get started with your 2 people, you bring your 2 friends. How much do you make? 100,000. And we shall work with your friends together with you. And each one brings 2 people. How many? We're using the power of what? The power of 2. Look at this. Your friends will bring 2, they'll earn the same way you've earned, 50, 50, 100. Then your other friend brings also 50, 50, 100. But our concern is on return. Left and right, left and right. And each one brings how many? How many? Every person introduces 2 people. You just invite your friends and you shall talk to them as you are learning how to do it as well. You get it? And each one brings in 2, 2, 2, 2. Our concern is on who? Rita at the top. So left and right. Left and right. Left and right. Left and right. Look at this. Alliance says the order doesn't actually matter at all. This other side, Alliance does not pay for the order or for the arrangement. It rather pays for someone on the left and someone on the someone on the left and someone on the so left and right. Left and right. Left and right. Left and right. You see that? 100 continues to infinity. But Alliance knew clearly that there are so many smart people in the world. So what Alliance did is it put a limitation that if you have one account, which one account is for 780,000 shillings, and 780,000 shillings, we usually recommend it for students. What did I say? Look at what happens. You're limited to 16 pairs in a day. So on the left side, 16, on the left side, 16. Those are 16 pairs. That is 16 times 100. How much is that? 1.6. If you have one account, 780,000 shillings, this can start happening after, if you are aggressive, 4 months, after 8 months, after 1 year. Can start happening and you start making over 1.6 million shillings every single day. In a month, or in a week, that is over 11.2, and in a month, over 49.6 million shillings. And this is how his 3 accounts are ranked. That is Julius 1, Julius 2, and Julius 3. It's the same person. But the day he starts the business, look at what happens. He has 50, 50, and 100,000 shillings. Simply meaning that the day you start the business, you have 200,000 shillings coming back to you there and then. Now the beauty with starting with 3 accounts is that account number 1 there in blue is in auto drive. Because whenever 2 makes money, 2 and 3 make money, 1 makes money automatically. You get that? So what will we do? We're going to work together with you. And we introduce 2 of your friends and accounts too. And you earn 50, 50 and 100,000. That is still your account. And then account number 3, we shall also work together and put 2 more other friends. Left and right, 50, 50 and 100. On the same people. On the same people. You still earn off them using account number 1. Because 3 is on the left, on the right, then 2 is on the left. So left and right, how much? 100. Left and right? 100. That is for account number 1. You realize that you are using the same efforts, same time period, same everything, but you're making much more money, as you shall see. Look at this. Each one brings how many? Each one brings 2 friends. Yeah? Account number 2 is going to make 100, 100. Account number 3, 100, 100. Then account number 1, of the same people still. It makes left and right. How much? Left and right. Left and right. Left and right. Now with 3 accounts, remember each account makes how much? 1.6. Not so? So that is 1.6 times 4. Times 3. That is 4.8 every single day. That's the potential with 3 accounts. So that is 4.8 in a day. That is 33.6 in a week. And that is over 148 million shillings every single. Look at this. Tina decides to get her 5.46 million shillings and get started in the business. This is the international retirement package. Look at this. The day Tina starts the business, your accounts are rated that way. You have account 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 7. The day she starts the business, you are counting together. Look at this. 50, 50, 100. How much is that? We are totaling, eh? 50, 50, 100. How much? In total, how much? 50, 50, 100. How much? 100, 100. How much? 800,000 shillings comes back to you there and then. You've already invested and gotten your packs of products. No. They are used to, except if you're good at selling. That is the option. It's upon you. You get that? Now, what will happen? The beauty is that account number 1, 2, and 3 are all in auto driving. Why? Because whenever 4, 5 makes money, 2 makes money automatically. Whenever 6, 7 makes money, 3 makes money automatically. Whenever 2, 3 makes money, 1 is automatic makes money. You get that? This time round, we shall work together with you and get 8 of your friends. We all said you have so many friends, not so? So 8 is a very minimal number. That is your family. Not so? Look at this. You have 2 people on account 4, 2 on account 5, 6, and 7. You make 100. Let's move. 100, 100, 100, 100. On the same people, account number 2. It will make 100 and 100. On the same people here, account number 3, 100, 100. Still on the same individuals. Account number 1 is going to earn off them. Left and right, how much? Left and right. Left and right. It continues to, your friends will continue, you shall work together with them and they also bring in their 2. And the business keeps on growing. But remember, because of the limitation, each account earns 1.6 per day. So that is 1.6 times 7. And how much is that? That is over 11.2 million shillings every single day if you start with just 5.6 million shillings. So, when you build a network, and whenever someone in your network goes back and reorders, buys products, the company gets the total volume of your team or of your group. And for the person, the first generation that you introduce personally, you brought the personally, and you earn 10%. And for those who are brought by those whom you brought, you earn between 5%. These are volume total as a group. So if you have a team of over 10,000, 1,000 to earn, that is more money to make. Another way of earning, what we call the stair-step bonus. The beauty with our titles in Alliance Motion Global, you begin as a distributor, then you go step by step, you become a silver executive, you earn 10% of your group reorders, then gold executive 20%, gold global ambassador 30, ruby global 35 up to diamond global ambassador. But the beauty still about this is that there's no time frame. There's no limitation that in this particular time that's when you're supposed to become this. No. There's no reversion, there's no demotion, that once you become that position or that title, you are that title for life. Never for Sugaroli Silver Executive, Sugaroli Global Ambassador for life. There's no pass-up. Pass-up simply means that you can start the business as a part-time. Parts of the feather flock together, not so? So your part-timer, introduce your friends to the part-timer. Who introduces another part-timer, another part-timer, another part-timer. Then down there you fall on someone. And then he's a full-timer, becomes a global ambassador. The rest of you in the same line, you all become global ambassadors. Even if you have left the business, you still become a global ambassador. Is that beautiful? Does it deserve a hand clap? Now, when I saw this, that actually you even have more money to be paid to you, oh my goodness. Whatever business or you become a global ambassador. Won't you be happy? 2% is big money and not. The other way of earning. Let's move. How many of us have traveling? Traveling? Okay, just a few hands. Well, the traveling I'm talking about is not the one of getting a bus up to Kabela Mine. You're getting a bus up to Rukunjiri, wherever. No. Rather, moving to places like the USA, Las Vegas, places like the Philippines. Now all these trips are free of charge, courtesy of Alliance in Motion Global. But on top of that, you don't spend any money, but they also add you more money, over $3,000, those about 10 million shillings for shopping. You see that? We continue. The question is, I've never been in network marketing, I've been using natural hand. Many of us begin without knowing anything. But because of the set-up system, the training and support system, we are able to groom each and every one of us, every one of you who is open-minded and moves with us. We shall chisel you, we shall turn you into a money-making machine. All you need with yourself is being open-minded, have your dreams, and be ready to move with us. And we shall work together to the attainment of our dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, you have been such a wonderful audience.